Hi everybody, Brittany here over at Bonnyville Dodge, just here to show you this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo that we have here on the lot. Just going to take a quick walk around the Jeep today just to show you some of the features and options that this Jeep has to offer. Starting with, it is in your billet silver paint finish, accented by your blackout badging rims across the unit as well. As we come around towards the back of the unit here, you can see you do have your backup camera equipped right there, as well as your rear park sense. You can see your sensors there across that back bumper. You also do have your hitch equipped there, your power lift gate as well. Just check out some of the space in the back cargo area here. You can see there is a decent amount of room back there. Store your gear bag is kind of secured out of the way while on the go. You also do have your rubber floor mats included across the unit, so even in that cargo area back there. Again, just your power lift gate. Now, the Jeep Grand Cherokee does make a great everyday vehicle. It also offers 4x4 capabilities, giving you some great handling on even some of those tougher road conditions. Just to check out some of the features inside now. So the Jeep itself can sit up to 5 passengers. You can get 3 in that back seat, as you can see there. Again, as I mentioned, your rubber floor mats included across the unit. Great little accessory you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Just to check out some of the features up front here, so you do have, of course, your touchscreen display area, very user-friendly interface, a lot of great features packed in there. So you do have access to, of course, all your audio media controls built in there. Climate controls also accessible in through there as well. Heated front seats, heated steering wheel, access to some of the apps that are included in there, as well as your travel link. Navigation's equipped on there, of course, your Bluetooth capabilities and your settings. Just below that, again, access to just some of your basic audio media controls, climate controls in through there as well. You do have your lane departure warning, so you can toggle that on and off right there. In through your center console area, a little bit of storage space in through there, your media ports just tucked in behind there. You do have keyless entry on the Jeep as well, so you can see your push button start right there, as well as your key fob for the unit here. Remote start's included, so again, another great feature you don't have to worry about post-purchase. Steering wheel mounted controls, so you do have access to your cruise control options in on there. Bluetooth Uconnect capabilities just in on the left hand side. In behind the steering wheel, access to your audio media controls. So everything easily accessible right on the steering wheel itself, allows you to keep your hands safely on the wheel while still staying connected while on the go. But you can see this 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee does have a great blend of features in it. If you're looking for a great everyday SUV, this could be the option for you. Feel free to give the team a call, 780-826-2999 for more information.